Happy Monday, everyone. It's Mrs. Clevenger here, and welcome back to our capitalization weekly practice. This is week 4, and it's video number 4, and we will continue practicing our capitalization because, believe it or not, there are still some people turning in their work without even capitalizing their own name. I know, right? So today's video is going to be a review on our capitalization rules. Remember our mints, M-I-N-T-S, but this time I am also adding in a few more capitalization rules. So here we go. Grab your notebook and your pencil. You're going to want to add to your notes. Some of these you're familiar with and some are new. Rule number 1, the first word in a sentence. You guys already know this one. We always capitalize the first word of the sentence. Here's an example. My sister was late to school. Of course, we always capitalize the start of the sentence. Rule number 2, the word I. You guys remember this from last week from our mints. The pronoun I always gets capitalized. Yesterday, I went to the baseball game. There's your example. Remember, anytime during this video, if you need to pause or rewind, you may do so at any time. Rule number 3, proper nouns, such as names of people, buildings, stores, and streets. Here's an example. Henry lives on Maple Street, right next to Sunnyside Elementary. Henry is a proper noun. It's a particular name of a person. Maple Street, name of a street. And Sunnyside Elementary, it's a proper noun, name of a school. Needs to be capitalized. Rule number 4, names of holidays. Here's your example. I love passing out cards on Valentine's Day. We already know we capitalize the start of the sentence, the word I, and Valentine's Day needs to be capitalized because it's a name of a holiday. Other holidays like Christmas and Thanksgiving and Easter also need to be capitalized. Rule number 5, the names of months and days of the week. Here's your example. My brother was born in May on the last Tuesday of the month. The M in my is capitalized because it's the start of the sentence, of course. The M in May is capitalized because May is a month. And Tuesday is capitalized because it's a day of the week. Rule 6, here's a new one that you're going to want to add to your notes. The names of countries, states, cities, bodies of water, and mountain ranges all need to be capitalized. Here's your example. My family traveled to Colorado to see the Rocky Mountains. Of course, the M in my capitalized because it's the start of a sentence. Colorado is capitalized because it's a proper noun, name of a state. And Rocky Mountains, proper noun, name of a particular mountain range, needs to be capitalized. Rule number 7, the titles of books, movies, songs, magazines, and also important documents all need to be capitalized. Here's an example. In the movie National Treasure, Ben steals the Declaration of Independence. Of course, the I in N is capitalized because it's the first word of the sentence. The N in national and the T in treasure also need to be capitalized because it's a title of a movie. Ben is capitalized because it's a proper noun, a name of a particular person needs to be capitalized. And Declaration of Independence, the important words like declaration and independence need to be capitalized because that's an important document. Here's a practice problem. Actually, I have one more rule. Sorry. I'm skipping ahead. Races and nationalities, languages, wars, and organizations, this is a new one, also needs to be capitalized. Here's an example. My great-grandpa fought in World War II and was stationed in France. Of course, the M in my needs to be capitalized. Start of the sentence. World War II needs to be capitalized. It's a name of a war. And the F in France needs to be capitalized. Proper noun. It's a name of a country. Here's our practice problem now. What letters should be capitalized? In the spring, J.K. Rowling is releasing her new novel, The Ickabog. I think I'm saying it right. I don't know. Here's a hint. Check it out. There are 6 letters in this sentence that need to be capitalized. Here's the answer. Of course, the first word in the sentence always needs to be capitalized. J.K. are the initials of her first and middle name need to be capitalized. And the R in her last name need to be capitalized. And the title of the book needs to be capitalized. The first and last word of the title. And I'm going to go ahead and stop there real quick. And I want to show you what you should be doing next. Okay, so it is Monday. So you're going to continue now on your Monday practice slides. It will look like this. Okay, you'll be doing this one, and you'll just read this as a review and then answer the questions. You put the state that you live in, you put the city that you live in, and you put the name of your favorite toy. Okay, the next slide, same thing. You put your birthday, you put today's date, your favorite holiday, and then you fill in these. Rewrite the sentence fixing the errors in capitalization. So you'll rewrite these and just fix the mistakes. And then this one, the last one for today, will be a sort. So that means you will be sorting between words that need no capital and words that do need a capital. Okay, for example, Texas should be capitalized because it's the name of a state. And car is just a common noun, doesn't need to be capitalized. So you'll just move these to where you think they would go. Okay, so it's just a sort, and that's how you will do that one. Okay, so now you're ready to do your Monday slides, and I will see you again tomorrow for capitalization video number 5, where we will be focusing on proper capitalization using titles. See you tomorrow. Bye.